If you're experiencing login issues on Satispay, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Satispay app. Go to your device's app store, search for Satispay, and update if a new version is available. Step 3. Reset your password. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear app cache. Clearing the app cache can resolve many issues. Go to your device settings, find the Satispay app, and select the option to clear the cache. Restart the app afterward. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Satispay's customer support. Provide them with details about your issue, and they will assist you in resolving it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Satispay quickly. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.